Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I would like to show you another updo that I did on myself. For this updo, I'm splitting my hair into 3 parts and I'm taking the middle part to make a deep ponytail. So have a little clear elastic and do the ponytail, then do the same thing with the sides. So I'm making another deep ponytail on the left hand side and the third one on the right hand side. Now I'm going to flip this ponytail over, so from the top down, pull it tight. Same thing on the left hand side, from the top pulled down, then insert your 2 fingers and bring the right braid flipped over the middle and the left ponytail knot braid over the middle. Have everything tight, and now we have 3 strands, the middle ponytail and the 2 that are over. This is how it looks like, gives a very nice shape to the hair and holds very good in place. So now grab the 3 strands and braid them. I'm going to braid a Dutch braid, so left goes under the middle, right goes under the middle, left under the middle, and right under the middle until the very end. And in between, I'm just loosening it up a bit because I want it to look fuller, and the sides I want it to look like they fall to the bun that we are going to create. Here you see this loosened up. My hair is not short but just shoulder long, so I have to be careful with the end of my strands. Then take a little elastic to secure the braid and prepare some bobby pins, still tucking the outer edges to make the braid wider. Now I'm rolling it under, holding it in place, and with the edges of the braid I'm pinning the rolled up braid into its place. So it's 2 bobby pins on each side, and that's it. Tuck outer edges, give some structure and more volume on the top if you want. And like this, it falls perfectly. This is the final result. I hope you like it. If you are new on our channel, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. You see, you can pull as much as you like it. I'm always liking also to bring out the strands from the front. Makes it look a bit more, I don't know, not so sleek. Okay, this is it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.